Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen, where we continue our theme of American-inspired dishes. And for this week, we'll go with a popular appetizer, the 7-layer dip. It likely originated in Texas in the late 1970s and early 80s. Peggy Shoup is credited with popularizing the dip by adding refried beans and jalapenos to an existing recipe, solidifying its 7-layer structure. Here's our ingredients in order: the refried beans, sour cream, salsa, mozzarella cheese, banana peppers, olives, and tomatoes. So we'll start with the refried beans and get that into our Pyrex pan here and spread it. And then we'll get this down and then work on spreading it here. All right, now we got the refried beans spread. Now we'll go with the sour cream for the second layer. So for the third layer, we'll use our salsa. Then for the fourth layer, mozzarella cheese. Then for the fifth layer, we put the banana peppers here in a bowl, just to make it easier to spread. For the sixth layer, we put the olives in a bowl and put them in a paper towel here just to let them dry. And then I'll just start cutting them in half. Okay, I think this is enough, and then we'll start assembling some here. Then for the final layer, we'll use a tomato here. We already washed this one, and then I'm going to try to cut it the way like Mom does. This should be enough tomatoes, I think, and then we'll take our diced tomatoes and just start spreading that. For the last thing, we'll give it a taste here. Put them in my plate. Try to get all these layers. That's so good. It has so many different flavors. I love it. It tastes very healthy. And the perfect thing about it is if like you're going to a party over the summer, this is a perfect thing to take. Hey, before we go, in our last episode, I made a banana split. However, I did not cut the banana as well as I would have liked. Here's what should have happened. Okay, here we go. Like about, there we go. That's what I was trying to do. The key I didn't do was put the knife through to make it go through more easily. Hope you guys get a chance to check out the banana split and the 7-layer dip. They're both very good. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much to Mom for her help running the camera, and we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen.